Hi everyone, this is Maria Riles with the Greensboro Public Library. Let's learn how to make an origami photo frame. I've got some examples here. Just a few simple folds will create a frame that will hold your picture. So let's start with a square piece of paper. This one is origami paper. It's about 8 1/4 inches square. You can use larger paper or smaller paper and you'll get a different size frame. We're going to start by folding it in a triangle diagonally and make a good crease. Then we're going to open that back up, turn it the other way, and make another diagonal fold. With a pretty good crease. Now, we'll open it again. We're going to take a corner and make it meet that very center spot right there where our two folds cross. So we'll do that with the first corner. And then we're going to repeat it all the way around the square. Lining them up the best you can, but this is kind of a forgiving origami project. So if your folds aren't perfect, that's okay. Okay. Now we're going to open our folds. You can see that we have a square in the middle and we have these 4 creases on each side. Now we're going to take a corner and fold it to that crease that we just created. So we have a very small triangle here. We're going to rotate around and do the same thing on every side. So there are our 4 small triangles right there. Now remember those creases we just made? We're going to fold this flap in again on that same crease and rotate around to do that. Now it looks like our frame is almost complete, but it won't stay together by itself. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to flip it over and we're going to fold each corner into the center spot again. It's a little tricky to see it on camera, but I think when you're doing this at home, you'll be able to recognize where that middle point is. And we'll fold that corner in, rotate it around to do the same thing again. And again. And again. Always making sure that your creases are pretty good. You can do this with thicker paper, but the thicker paper is a little bit harder to crease, so keep that in mind. So now, we are almost finished. We're going to take each one of these corners and fold it back so it sticks out just a little bit to make sort of a decorative edge right there. So there's one. Trying to make them approximately even. 2. Here's the third. Is that one straight? And then the 4th one. So now our frame is complete and it has some little decorative edges. We're going to flip it back over. There's the front. I've already trimmed a photo of a kitty to put into my frame. So to put the photo in there, you're going to have to open it back up just a little bit. Just sort of 1/2 of it. Slide your photo in that slot and fold it back. And there you go. So you could put this type of frame in a scrapbook or photo album. You could put it on your refrigerator with a magnet. You can put it on your mirror or window. You could make a little cardboard prop and stand it up, however you would like to do it. If you notice as you're working with it that it doesn't want to stay completely flat, you can do this. You can flip it over, and we'll use just a tiny piece of tape on those corners in the back to hold it a little bit flatter. But you don't have to do that. If you're planning to attach it to a wall or something, it will probably be okay without the extra tape. It's up to you. So there you have it. This would be great for the inside your locker, however you want to decorate, with photos of yourself or magazine pictures that you really like. So I hope you'll give it a try. Thanks for joining us.